Hi everybody and welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to make the front loop only single crochet stitch, the Albanian stitch. So let's see how we can do it. Let's see how we can crochet this stitch, slip knot and a number of chain stitches, the foundation chain. Now as I'm going to make a row of single crochet stitches, you can also start by making the foundation single crochet and then start with the main stitch, which is the front loop only single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1 and insert the hook into the second chain, and we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. This is a single crochet stitch, so in each chain I'm going to make a single crochet stitch throughout the row. Again, insert the hook into the next chain or stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops on the hook. Now, in case you have started by making the foundation single crochet stitch, you are at this point, so chain 1 and we start crocheting in the next stitch only in the first loop. As you can see, we have 2 loops here. We work in this loop. So insert the hook into the next stitch under the first loop, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops, which is a single crochet stitch. Again, insert the hook into the next stitch, only front loop, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Again, insert the hook into the next stitch, front loop only here, and pull up a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Again, next stitch, front loop only, grab the yarn and pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Next stitch, only front loop here, pull up a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop only part of the stitch, pull up a loop and yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Again, next stitch, insert the hook under the front loop of the stitch, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Again, insert the hook under the front loop of the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops on the hook. In order to continue, chain 1 and turn and continue this way. Insert the hook into the first stitch, under the first loop of the stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, and we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Last time, insert the hook under the front loop of the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. That's all, and if you continue you will have this result. This is the front loop only single crochet stitch, also called the Albanian stitch. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.